Okay, my friends, so now that you're back, we are going to make our money book together. So what I want you to do is go and get the papers that you have that say My Money Book. So it should look just like this. There should actually be two of them on each page, but you only need to use one from each page. So don't worry if there's double on the page. Obviously, you only need one, okay? Unless you want to make two booklets, which is fine. Lily and Leo, you could just use the double-sided page and split it up to make both of your books. Everyone else can just disregard the other one. Okay, so going down here, your front page is going to look something like this. The first thing that you want to do is write your name. So I'm going to write Miss Baucom. I'm going to let you pause the video while you write your name right here on the front page. Okay, now that you've written your name, remember if you need more time at any time in the video, please pause so that you can do the work. Okay, so I've written my name here where it says name, and then here, what you want to do is you're going to fill each of our coins. The first coin, remember, it says In God We Trust, and it has Abraham Lincoln on the front. So what we need to do is we need to find like a copper color. You guys can color it like brown, but I think I'm going to try and find like a coppery brown color. And I'm going to fill my penny brown. So go ahead and color in your penny brown just like I'm doing. Okay. All right, after you've colored your penny brown, remember if you need more time, you can always pause the video. I want you to go ahead and go through and color all of your other coins. Now remember, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter are all the color silver. So you can go ahead and color them all in silver or gray. Just like I'm doing. Okay guys, great job coloring in the nickel, dime, and quarter. Remember, if you need more time, you can always pause the video. Okay, let's go ahead and zoom in on our second page. Go ahead and flip to the second page. It should say this. Pennies are worth 1 cent. Abe Lincoln is on a penny. So we already know that. Now all we need to do is go back and fill in our penny as a brown color. Okay, after you color in the pennies brown, okay, remember if you need more time, you can pause. Go ahead and go to the next page. We're going to zoom in. And we should be on this page. This page says, nickels are worth 5 cents. They are bigger than pennies. Okay, so we've already done penny, which is worth 1 cent, and here is the nickel. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill it in as gray or silver. guys are doing an awesome job coloring in your coins. Okay. Remember, if you need more time, you can pause. Once you are done coloring in the nickel, go ahead and switch to the next page. We're going to zoom in. And we're on the dime. Here it says, dimes are worth 10 cents. They are our smallest coin. So remember, dimes are even smaller in size than the penny. Even though they're worth more than the penny and the nickel, they're worth 10 cents. So what you guys need to do is go ahead and fill in our dime in a gray or silver color. Okay, awesome job. Once you finish coloring in the dime, we can go ahead and move on to our 5th page of the book. Let's zoom in. And now we're on to the quarter. This page says, quarters are worth 25 cents. George Washington is on a quarter. Okay, so we know this is our biggest coin and it's worth the most. The penny is worth 1 cent, the nickel is worth 5 cents, the dime is worth 10 cents, and here is the quarter and it's worth 25 cents. It's also colored gray, so let's go ahead and color it in. Gray or silver color. Alright, now that we've colored in the quarter, we can go ahead and move on to page 6. Now guys, remember, if you need more time, you can always pause the video and wait. Let's go ahead and zoom in on page 6. Okay, the directions on this page say, color the pennies brown. So we need to find all of the pennies. Remember, the pennies are the ones that have Abraham Lincoln on the front and they are brown color. So go ahead and fill in your pennies brown. So I'm going to find my brown color. And you guys don't have to wait for me. You can go ahead and color it in brown whenever you find your color. I'm going to find all the pennies and color them brown. Make sure you're looking for the front and back of our penny.